Are you struggling to create personalized cross-channel campaigns that truly engage your audience? What if I told you there's a tool that can help you to handle seamless email and omni-channels marketing all in one platform? Welcome to Iterable. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. Hi everyone, I am Ron and today we are diving into Iterable, a powerful customer engagement platform designed to help marketers deliver personalized experience across email, SMS, push notification and more. Whether you are new to Iterable or just looking to optimize your campaign, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. So in the video, we will cover how you can just create an account on Iterable. What is Iterable? How it's going to help you? How you can create personalized email campaign with dynamic content. You can build omnichannels workflow that span email, you know, SMS and push notification using analytics to measure performance and refine your strategy. Plus, I will share pro tip common mistakes to avoid and answer FAQs. So, first of all, you have to just go here, right? Just go to Google and search for Travel. Now, click on this first link here. On the top right side corner, you can just go to the demo, enter your company email, and then you have to select your country. And once you fill up all this information, click on submit. Now, once you go and click on submit, automatically one of the team member from Iterable will be in contact with you, and they will schedule a day where they can explain you the entire product and how it's going to help you and how you're gonna integrate in your enterprise and whether it will be useful or not. And after that, once you're convinced, you can just buy the subscription, right? So they don't have the pricing listed on their website. They will give you a custom pricing. Now, the thing is, if you have ever dealt with low engagement rates, disconnected channels, or outdated manual processes, you know how frustrating it can be to manage modern marketing campaigns, right? Without the right tool, it's easy to waste time and miss opportunities to connect with your audience. I have been there too, writing emails that no one opens, manually segmenting audience, and guessing what works across different channels. It's very overwhelming, especially when you are trying to scale your marketing efforts. That's why tools like Iterable and game changers for marketers. For instance, imagine you are running a campaign to promote a limited time scale. Without a system like Iterable, you will have to manually design email, send SMS reminders, and track performance across multiple platforms. Iterable simplifies all of that and help you to focus on delivering value to your customers. Now, Iterable is a comprehensive customers engagement platform designed to help marketers create, automate, and optimize personalized campaign across multiple channels. We know that from email to SMS, push notification, beyond has everything you need to engage your audience, right? So as you can see here, once you sign up for Iterable, log in into your dashboard, it's very seamless. You have to import your existing audience data by uploading a CSV file or connecting to an integration. Segment your audience based on criteria like location, purchase history, or engagement level. Segmentation is a key to sending target campaigns that resonate with your audience. For example, create separate lists for active customers and inactive subscribers. Right now, once your audience is ready, it's time to create personalized, email campaigns that engage your subscribers. You can visit to the campaign section and select create email campaigns. You can choose a pre-built templates to start from scratch. You can customize the design by adding your logo, images, and branding colors. Use dynamic content blocks to personalize email based on subscribers' data. You can use A/B testing to experiment with different subject lines, CTAs, and layout. This helps you identify what resonates with your audience. Now, Iterable also shines when it comes to orchestrating omnichannel campaigns by combining emails, SMS, and push notification. You can create seamlessly customers journey, and that is really easy. Navigating to the workflow section and create new workflows, right? And here you can add triggers, abandoned carts, websites, visits, and there's a lot more thing. You can include multiple touch points like email, SMS, and push notification. So test your workflow throughout before launching them to ensure they work as intended. Analytics, as you know, it plays a really important role for measuring the success of a campaign and making data driven decisions. You can navigate to the report section and view metrics like open rates, CTRs, and conversions. You can analyze performance by campaign channels or individual messages. Now, leveraging a Iterable personalized engine to tailor message based on real-time user behavior. For example, set a discount code to user who viewed your product but didn't purchase. Right. Now set up automated workflows for repetitive tasks like welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Connect Iterable with tools like CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and social media for seamless experience. For example, sync customers' data from Shopify to create targeted campaigns. Right. Now leveraging there's a more. If you encounter issues, check Iterable Help Center. They are really good at it. Right. And this is it. I hope you found this video very useful, a complete information based video. And if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.